Welcome to Indicator Metadata with the FHI toolbox. In this video, we'll be explaining how to add or change the metadata of indicators. There are two methods to change the indicator's metadata. Firstly, you can click the top left corner pencil button and click on the Indicator Metadata tab. Here you can click the drop-down arrow to access the different sub-indicators. The second method to change metadata is to right-click on the sub-indicators button and click Edit Metadata. Both of these methods will lead you to the metadata page of the indicator. Here, you can add descriptions to the metadata, change the uncertainty of the data, or override the indicator data with a manually calculated value. To override the indicator data, tick the checkbox and enter the value and reason for changing the value. Once done, click OK. Remember to save your FHI file. That's all for indicator metadata. Thank you and see you again.